If you have been trying to learn MLOps, you have probably noticed something. So almost every tutorial teaches you the same things. Deploy a simple model, create a Docker container, run Kubernetes or maybe endpoints. So maybe deploying an Nginx container or just just to demonstrate the inference, for example. And while those tutorials are useful, they leave you wondering, how do I apply this to my own project? So this is the gap that I wanted to close. So I wrote this book for engineers who already, let's say, understand machine learning, but wanted to apply to build system that can actually use in production. So instead of focusing on two examples, I'm focusing on principle and architectures. So everything is intentionally kept general. So you can mimic the same ideas, whether you are building a computer vision system, recommendation engines, or maybe anomaly detection, for example, as we have done it in this book. So something completely different. So the goal is not to teach you a specific framework. So it's to help you understand how these pieces fits together so you can adapt them to your own infrastructure and your own requirements. Throughout the book, I share the patterns, decisions, and the lessons that are usually missing from tutorials. So not just how to do something, but why it's done that way. So if I finished an MLOps tutorial and thought, great, but how do I use this in my actual project? And then this book was written for you. So this book is still being written. So I would love to have you join this. So if you subscribe using the link, this link, I will give you this link, and I will send you the first complete chapter, this chapter. So you will get an early look at this content, and you will also receive update as new chapters are released. So if you just click here, for instance, keep me updated, so you will get maybe weekly or monthly and a new update. So if it's help you building a better MLOps, that's the goal. And yeah, that's my only short, let's see, video about this book. Thanks for watching and see you next time.